You have to be sharp. I know what's about that. I love my country. I believe you guys love yours too. Yeah, you have to represent where we come from. I love my country. And Nigeria is one country that we ask the most annoying questions. Not just Nigeria, Africa. You know the answer to the question, but you're asking the question. The girl, you'll be dating the girl will wait. First date, second date, third date, fourth date. When you guys are now annoying, girl will now do, baby, I want to ask you a question. What is it? Do you love me? And you chose that time to ask that question. You get a lie, definitely. And there was the one that annoyed me, one guy. I was boarding an aircraft. The pilot saw me. He was standing by the door. Hey, basket man, funny comedian. Funny, I love your work. So you are flying with us. I didn't want to be sarcastic. I said, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah, you're very funny. I love your jokes. You're very funny. Nice one. So where are you flying to? You don't know where we're flying to. That was small. The one that annoyed me, one guy saw me. Hey, Pastor, congrats. I heard that your sister just gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. I said, no, it's not a boy. He said, hey, what did she give birth to? I said, a goat. Stupid question. The one that pissed me off the most, I was watching the Chelsea game, Chelsea and Arsenal. My guy just entered the beer parlor. Hey, Rato, how about that? They watch game. I was in a good mood, so I was like, yeah. Okay, who they play? Was written there. I said, Chelsea and Arsenal. I said, where is Chelsea playing from? I said, from left to right. What about Arsenal? From right to left. Okay. What color is Chelsea wearing? Blue. What about Arsenal? Red. What's the scores? 0-0. Who's leading? Stupid question. And the annoying one, I don't know if you've seen it. I don't know if they do it here. There's one billboard in Lagos they just put up recently. They wrote, if you do not know how to read and write, call this number. Focus. What are they directing this? The people that can read already. Crazy, man. I know the funny thing. I tell people most times. The interesting thing, like I say, like one other thing that I'm going to tell you. Whenever I get to meet our president, I'm going to tell him one new law. No, jail, prison doesn't really help anymore. It doesn't. It doesn't. It makes people harder. It makes them tougher. They're not scared. Prison, no. They should make a jail sentence, not a jail sentence. You steal, you're an armed robber, you go to court, they'll sentence you that for like 12 gorilla to have sex with you. Now I'm telling you see people go stop to the team. 12 gorilla will go here. And then you don't know who's the good lawyer. The good lawyer will just go, you know what, see what, guy, I want you to plead guilty, and I promise you, I'll make sure that the judge cuts down the sentence. It won't be 12 gorillas. I can get you 2 monkeys and 1 goat. You sure? Who will reprise that? But it's funny, man, because crime right now is crazy. Everything is mad. See America, someone will carry gun and kill people and kill himself. It's madness. And that country, America, is one place that I raised. A lot of these white people are different. Totally different from black people. Do you know that? I know you should have some white people are always in Ghana. They like this place. It's safe. Actually, it's safe. Actually, you guys are okay. Do you guys have robbers? I'm robbers. Morgan, you're here. Hey. This is my chairman from Nigeria. This guy is a walking ATM. Too much money. Telling you, but you know the funny thing, you know when you meet the rich people, I'm saying I'm going to come down right now. No. Rich people, I'll confirm something right now. And you'll know when you look at them. Sir, how you doing, sir? Just stop, man. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. No, I can see the rich people. Sir, how you doing, sir? Very fake. Yeah? Very right. And then, wait, guy, come. How are you doing? Very fine. Hey, shut up, guy. That's not your new voice. Rich people, their voice gets thicker as they get richer. I don't know if you guys have heard of a man called Mike Adenuga. Oh, rich in billions of dollars. Billions. That guy went to his house one day, we had a meeting, he called his stewards. He didn't have houseboys, stewards. He heard the talk. I thought he was coughing. Steward came like, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I said, waiting. I went to meet the steward after the meeting. I said, what did chairman tell you? He said, my friend, I didn't hear anything. I just went to do everything in the house. One of them should be lost. That's what about rich people. And I tell guys, if you are poor with those tiny voices, never shout at your wife because you don't have the right to. Only rich people with those thick voices. Think about it. If you meet your wife is based on your girlfriend, you talk with that thick voice. Babe, you know one funny thing I don't like? Is you hanging with those friends of yours. I don't want it to ever happen again, alright? I'm so sorry. I'm not. You keep saying you're sorry, but you're never sorry. I'm sorry. No, don't do it. Okay. Think about it, your tiny voice. Baby!
Peter Pan, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a get a hitty like a boy cardigan. This a girl show me love before me love me never see. For the winter, but me feel like a the Hamilton. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan.